What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is definitely different than normal. I know I always say that, but today I'm actually working with a photographer. We're going out and doing a photo shoot and I'm going to be recording it for you guys and giving you guys some tips along the way. So basically the point of this video is to show you guys that you don't need an amazing location to get an amazing photo. I know a lot of people get stuck on that idea that you need that awesome location, like that city skyline or that Brooklyn Bridge or that awesome location, but you really don't need that. You can just be on the street and get an awesome photo. So basically the photographer Rick, make sure you guys follow him. He's amazing. He takes really awesome photos. This is an Instagram, and also this is my Instagram. Make sure you follow both of us. And if you guys are coming from Rick, make sure you guys subscribe to me and follow me. So basically he reached out to me actually last summer about doing this video. He was super passionate about it and I was like, yeah, why the heck not? I'd love to do that. So we went out in Brooklyn and just kind of went out with a little bit of a plan, but the plan was if we saw something along the way, we would stop and shoot there. So for our first location, we went to this area. It was really cute outside. There was a bench, a bike. I think it just so happened there was a bike there. I don't know if he knew that there was gonna be a bike, but it ended up being really great. So we started on the bench. It was in front of this store called Stella Dallas Living. It was closed, but the outside was really cute, so that's why we decided to shoot there. And then literally just across the sidewalk was the bike, so we took pics there as well. I love how these ones turned out. The bench ones are some of my favorite ones. So you guys will definitely be seeing those on my Instagram. Next, off to location 2, we just walked down the street like 100 feet, if that, and we stopped at some stairs. The outside of what it looked like was an apartment building. It was really cool, old looking. The stairs were really nice, so we thought this would be perfect. All right, so I'm here with Rick, the photographer.
Hey everyone.
We're shooting. We just did our first location and now we're at our second location, which is this cool little doorstep area. I'm really excited about this spot. Are you?
Here in Brooklyn. Oh, I love this spot.
We're here in Brooklyn, so let's do the second location.
Ready?
These photos turned out great as well. I mean, I'm gonna keep saying that because they all turned out great. I'm like obsessed with all of them. I've already posted one on my IG and I'm obviously gonna continue to post throughout some time. So we were in Williamsburg, and literally any place in Williamsburg you can take a picture in. It's so cool, and like there are no actual monuments or like city like looking things. It's all just stuff that you can find in your little town or in your city. No matter where you live, all of these things are at your disposal. Next up, we went to a coffee shop, the classic photo location. This one I was excited about because the outside was super cute, but the inside was super cute as well. We hadn't originally planned on shooting inside, but after I had to change my outfit, I think it was, and we were like, wow, this is cute. Let's take pics in here as well. So we're here at the next location. It's a coffee shop, so it's gonna look super cute. We have a croissant and a coffee for props. So outside was really awesome. There was such a cute German Shepherd out there. Oh my God, so cute. So we took pics outside. Those ones turned out great, but then when we went inside, the vibes were so good. So we took pictures in there as well, and those ones I love. Like, love, 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 love. And a coffee shop is so easy. Everyone has a coffee shop in their town. Whether it's a cute, trendy coffee shop or literally Starbucks, you can get pictures with a cute little prop. Props are really great, especially if you're new to like modeling or posing, because it gives you something to stand with rather than like not knowing what to do with your hands, which is what I often don't know what to do. Do I put them here? Do I do it like this? You don't know what to do with your hands sometimes, so having props or having things to hold on to, it definitely helps with the modeling aspect. Next location I am obsessed with, and I'm so mad because we got yelled at for shooting here. I want to go back here because it seems like such a cool place like to dig and dig for cool furniture and decorations. As you can see, I don't have a lot of decorations on my walls, so I'm in the market. I just moved to New York and I'm figuring out how I want to decorate my apartment. I don't want to just dive into it. I want to actually think about what I want so that I can just do it good. Alright, so we found our next spot. It's super cool. It's this junkyardy, like literally just a bunch of random stuff, but it'll look really good in photos. I changed my outfit, so I'm wearing this cool little top with some jean shorts, a little bit edgier for this next spot because it's a little bit of an edgier spot. I like want to buy stuff here. It's so cool. I definitely will be coming back. So this place I could do it good at because it is filled with junk. Which I love. So we decided to shoot here. It looked really awesome, but unfortunately, like I said, we got yelled at for shooting here. We definitely got some good pics though. This is the first one I posted on IG. I mean, it's understandable that they don't want photos taken there, but we got a few and we were happy with the ones we got. Next spot was an unexpected spot. We just were walking down the street and saw this cool cement block that was graffitied, and there was graffiti all around it as well. And we were like, I keep doing this. This goes with my outfit, the vibe, the everything, so let's take pictures here. And I love these ones so much. Okay, so we were walking to the next location and we stumbled across this cool little graffiti block. So I'm gonna sit on it and take some pictures. They're super city, super, you know, the classic graffiti look. And I sat on the block, I sat below the block, we just moved all around, and these pictures turned out great. And this is the perfect idea of you don't need anything, because it is literally a cement block. You could take these anywhere. I grew up in a super small town and I didn't have a lot of photo locations, like typical photo locations, but we would get creative and go on the streets, go to abandoned parts, go to old brick buildings that are like fallen down. Those always look great in photos. You wouldn't typically think that's the best location, but it ends up turning out really awesome in a picture. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you like this video and subscribe down below. If you're new from Rick's following, make sure you subscribe to me. And all of my subscribers, please go over to Rick and follow him on his IG. He is a really great photographer, and yeah, I think you'll really enjoy the work that he puts out. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, I already said all this crap. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.